Hello everyone. What? Hey guys! Excuse my face, but I have acne and it's ugly. But this is gonna be a new vlog, I guess. I tried to start one before, but I didn't like the clips before. Decided to start a new vlog. It is Thursday. It is, hold on. I should have known what day it was today. It's May 31st, 2018, because tomorrow, as in now, for any of you guys in my fandom, you know what tomorrow is. And if you're a mythical beast, then you know that tomorrow, June 1st, is Link's birthday, and he's gonna be 40. A little update, I have this, but you're probably like, why is it so light? Well, this is actually Folgers coffee instead of Dunkin', and I use the caramel macchiato creamer because I wanted to kind of spice it up and be different, so yeah. And if you were wondering, yes, I did it. In case you're wondering anything different with this channel, I did it. I finally bit the bullet and I did it. So if you, I think I said it in my last vlog that was posted that I was thinking about changing the name of this channel. My nose is really bugging me. I was kind of thinking about doing it before, but like I think it was one of the first vlogs that was posted. Hold on, my nose is really itchy. But I think it was one of my first vlogs that went up. I was filming it with like my phone, like my Galaxy Grand Prime when I had that phone. But I said like how I come up with the channel and stuff. But I was like, I might want to change it to just what I said that everybody else does, and that's pretty much to change it from Tiffany Loves Filming to Tiffany Luann Vlogs or something of that nature. So I did. Update, so I'm now with Olivia, which you saw her before, but I guess we're gonna go to her house and get her makeup, do a main channel video on my main channel, if that made any sense. But okay.
That makes sense.
Did you want to say anything?
I'm really excited. We haven't had a video done together in a while.
I know.
I don't know what look I want to do on her today.
I mean, she did do, oh, my hair looks good. She did do one on me before, so go check that video out. And she's gonna help me get over my slump, so, hi.
I look like I have no eyebrows. Like, if I go far, like, it looks like I'm a naked woman. Like, I have no makeup on. I'm like a rare Olivia. Like, you don't see a wild Olivia out in public without makeup on, okay?
Like I mean, but like, someday you get lazy and you're just like...
You see, I wasn't planning on leaving today.
So, it looks cute like that.
Well, you gotta always cleanse your face, too, before you do makeup. So it's a good thing I have all my cleansing items with me.
When your friend is a makeup hoarder.
This is nothing. I need more. I, honest to God, need more. Ooh, and I just got this one, too. This one's pretty.
I mean, I like makeup, too. Oh, wow. Like, but, I mean, I like makeup, too, but, like...
Not as much as me.
I mean, like, I just started in, like, the summer, so...
I got you hooked.
Well, not really you, but...
I started it. Ooh, this is pretty. This was $26.
NARS, I wanted to...
This was $26.
I want to try their foundation.
I want to try the Huda Beauty one. It has like a nice fragrance to it, I hear.
We have made it home. Or to my house. Anyway. Because she's going to do a makeup look on me again, I guess.
Multiple makeup looks.
In one whole, like, video?
No, we can do separate.
So, if you want to check out the one that she did before, you can, because...
That was purple-licious.
Yeah, because it was pretty cool. Except for now, I have a better camera, so. So, I got all my equipment set... I feel like I said that wrong. Equipment set up, and I'm just sitting in this chair. And she's going to be doing another look on me, but it's going to be better quality because my camera, my lighting... Yes, and plus the last one was at her house, so we just use like her ceiling light that she has. And I don't have a ceiling light, but I have a softbox. So that's what we use in. And the shot on this camera, oh my god, it was real good. Yes, so we just did the video, and this is the look that she did on me. She did it really good, so check that video out. She's going to do my intro, you know, as a guest star, because why not? Plus, it was her tutorial, so I guess she's going to do my intro. So, I hope you guys like her doing it, and if you want more of her, then comment. Whoops. Comment.
Definitely comment.
And like this vlog or video. What?
Definitely comment if you have any questions for me as well about me being in the cosmetology industry or field. I am more than happy to answer any of those questions for her followers. We've been friends for God knows how long.
Like maybe 6 or 7 years.
No, more than that. So, 3,
I feel like we met in 6th grade, maybe?
like 8, 9 years almost. We've known each other for years, and honest to God, I would do anything for this girl. Anything. So definitely feel free to follow, like everything she does, because she's good at what she does. Alright? And we'll see you in the next vlog. Bye!
Thank you. But I'm gonna show you like how she's gonna do my intro, because maybe she might start a channel. I don't know. But yeah. So go check it out.
As you guys could tell, well, you guys probably can't tell, but I am a licensed cosmetologist, so we'll be doing a sexy soft glam look to her today. You can take this look out anywhere. You can go to the grocery store, movies, tell them, oh, bye dude, we're done. You can do anything with this look.
So I don't know when the video is going to be going up, because we still need to do the B-roll for it. So at least get this vlog. She's staring at me over here. I mean, this camera shot though, like, look at that. Like, that's just that's perfect. And then got my desktop in the background. But did you want to say something to my viewers?
Hi! That's all. I'm tired.
So, yeah. What else? Next, well, before this one goes up, I might do a room tour video, so get excited for that. And, yeah. My hair looks really good, though. I like the way I parted it. It looks really good. Anyway.
You're going to be changing your hair color soon.
Heads up. Yeah, I might be going darker. I mean, it's nice being blonde, but I was like, why not try to go darker, you know? And since my friend over here is a cosmetologist, is that the right word?
Yes, licensed cosmetologist.
Yeah, she can do like hair coloring and stuff, so she might do my hair color. Follow her on Instagram on her cosmetology page. I can have like the screenshot up or put it on a bar on the screen. But yo, give her business. As of now, tomorrow is Link's birthday, so happy birthday, Link! From GMM. So I don't know when this is going up, but if it goes up after, then happy belated birthday if you ever see this. Hi. Yeah, I'm just chilling like a villain on my chair. Can't, there we go. Yeah. So yeah, this vlog might continue on tomorrow, and then I can maybe try to upload it tomorrow, because tomorrow's Link's birthday, and since I said happy birthday to him, it needs to go up tomorrow. So hold me accountable, even though if you're seeing this, it already went up. Hold me accountable, Olivia.
I'm holding you accountable.
Make sure it goes up tomorrow.
I will text you
like
as much as I can.
Like, I'm gonna work on it, like, when I come home, like.
She can even work on it tonight. I'm probably gonna start heading out soon. I gotta clean my house now, now that I have someone coming to my house.
I mean, if I want to continue it tomorrow.
That's true. You wanna help me get my stuff down now?
Sure.
Bye!
Follow her on her social medias. Please. Give her business. Give her business! She's great.
Definitely come check out my work.
What is your work?
I do hair color, cuts, foils, perms. I only do makeup on the side for a few specific people. I'm still working on it. I am really not the greatest. There are a lot of makeup artists out there that are truly fantastic, A1 at the game, but I strive to be the best that I possibly can be, doing hair color, hair foils, wax, eyebrow waxing, lip waxing, chin waxing. I also do my best to do the best haircut I possibly can on each and every client. I also do deep conditionings. I do a lot. I also do perms. You may think they're really not in style, but believe me, a lot of women still do get perms. Just so I can make this clear, There are people that try and get away with doing perms on people who just lightened and bleached their hair. I do not do that. You should not do that in general, because that'll really kill your hair completely. You have the chance of frying it off, actually. So if you have bleached your hair and you still have bleach in your hair, or you have bleached your hair in the past few months and it's not all out, I would not be able to perm your hair, unfortunately. But that's what we have consultations for. So, yay!
Where can you be found to do this?
I can be found at my Position store in the Holiday Hair on 25th Street in Easton, Pennsylvania. That's where I work. I will not give out any other personal information besides that, but you can contact me through my Instagram, cosmetology_by_Olivia on Instagram. That is my professional Instagram, so if you have any questions or would like to book any appointments, we can definitely hook you up with something, most definitely. And then I can tell you around how much some things can be, because prices unfortunately do go up the more I have to do. So let's hope for the best, guys.
So I hope you guys enjoyed that vlog. This is going to be ending clip because I really want to get this up on Friday, June 1st, because since I said happy birthday to Link from Good Mythical Morning, in case you don't know, Link Neal from Good Mythical Morning, his birthday is on June 1st, depending on when you're watching this. But if you're watching it today, then happy birthday to Link Neal from GMM. And yeah, so I mean, I told Liv she has to put, like, make me I forgot the word now. But like hold me accountable to getting this vlog up at least tomorrow. Like, it has to go up tomorrow sometime. So I'll probably work on it during my break, and then when I come home, and try to crank it out as much as I can during break, because then I'm gonna upload it tomorrow. Like, whether that be at 9 o'clock at night, it's gonna go up tomorrow. I just thought that, like, I'll put the ending clip on it, and I hope you guys like the makeup look that Liv did on me, which I don't know when that video is gonna go up, but we still have to do the B-roll for it, to show the products that's used. So she's gonna come by I think on Saturday for that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I hope it wasn't too short or whatnot, but I hope you guys enjoyed it anyway. And once again, happy birthday to Link Neal from Good Mythical Morning, and I will talk to you guys in my next vlog, maybe. Bye!